Corner security camera placement outside a home fixes blind spots where two sides meet and gives continuous coverage around the property. Place a camera on each external corner so their fields of view overlap by at least 20% to avoid gaps between adjacent sides. Choose cameras with a wide-angle lens of at least 120 degrees when you cannot mount on both sides, because a wider lens covers more of the adjacent wall and yard. Remember, wider lenses can distort distance, so place them slightly back from the corner for better context. Elevate each camera to between 8 and 12 feet so the sightline clears shrubs and prevents easy tampering while still capturing faces. If your architecture prevents that exact height, raise as much as practical an angle downward rather than outward. Calibrate motion detection zones to focus on walkways, driveways, and entry points while excluding predictable sources of movement like tree branches or street traffic to cut down on false alerts. Use consistent mounting surfaces and weatherproof connections, sealing conduit and cable entries with silicone to maintain signal and power reliability in all conditions. Periodically review footage at different times of day and adjust camera angle and zone sensitivity after 1 week of operation to catch any missed blind spots or recurring false triggers. Common mistakes start with mounting cameras too low, which makes them easy to obstruct or tamper with. Fix that by raising the mount and adding a shallow overhang for protection. Another issue is placing cameras too close to the corner, which creates blind bands directly under the lens and exaggerated distortion. Solve that by moving the camera back along the wall or increasing overlap with the opposite corner camera. Finally, poor motion zone setup causes constant false alarms from passing cars or trees. Resolve this by drawing tighter motion polygons, lowering sensitivity for distant zones, and using object filters when supported. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for exterior camera installation and other outdoor security jobs, and we make it easy for contractors to find work that matches their skills. We also host a discussion community where our members share real installation tips, product experiences, and local recommendations.